Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Corbi. Okay, let's answer this problem. As you can see the line diagram, it has 7 lights. Bulbs A, Y, and E are connected in series and controlled by single pole switch, the S1 AYE. Bulb letter C is controlled by single pole switch, the S1 C. And bulbs D, B, and W are connected in parallel and controlled by single pole switch, the S1 DBW. This is the circuit breaker and the conduits. Take note, the wire will pass through according to the arrangement of conduits. And now, let's proceed to the actual wiring connections. Let's start. Line 1 source connected to line 1 load of bulb letter E. Line 2 load of bulb letter E is connected to line 1 load of bulb letter A. And line 2 load of bulb letter A is connected to line 1 load of bulb letter Y. Let's continue. Line 2 load of bulb letter Y is connected to input terminal of S1 AYE, and the output terminal of S1 AYE is connected to line 2 source. And that will be the answer for the first problem. The bulbs AYE are connected in series and controlled by single pole switch, the S1 AYE. Let's proceed to the next one. Line 1 source connected to line 1 load of bulb letter C. Line 2 load of bulb letter C is connected to input terminal of S1C, and the output terminal of S1C is connected to line 2 source. Okay, that will be the answer for the second problem. Bulb C is controlled by single pole switch, the S1C. And for the last, bulbs D, B, and W. So line 1 source connected to line 1 load of bulb letter D. Line 1 source again connected to line 1 load of bulb letter B. And another line 1 source connected to line 1 load of bulb W. Let's continue. Line 2 load of bulb letter D. Okay, line 2 load of bulb letter B. And line 2 load of bulb W. Are connected going to input terminal of S1 DBW, and the output terminal of S1 DBW is connected to line 2 source. And that will be the final answer for the third problem. Bulbs D, B, and W are connected in parallel and controlled by S1 DBW. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and God bless everyone.